without further ado, let's just dive in industry trend, shall we?
Yeah. So according to one of the world's biggest data platforms, Statista, in 2020, the global smart lighting market share is 11 billion, and it will grow to 23 billion in 2025, with a 16% compound annual growth rate. European and American markets occupy half of the market size and have great potentials. Regard to the penetration rate of smart lighting in 2020, in the comprehensive perspective, US is the leader with 11.7%, who follows is UK and Germany. Trustmart as the world-leading IoT solution provider, provides you smart solutions in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee, and so on communication protocols, and covering all the lighting categories: light sources, ambience lights, indoor lights, outdoor lights, lighting accessories, and professional lighting devices.
Well, in this case, how does Tuya smart lighting landscape look like?
Okay, so just like the picture shows, Tuya smart lighting has 3 layers. Single smart devices, as I mentioned above, smart lighting scene, which consists of various lighting devices in different protocols. Eventually, it can be achieved for specific occasions, either practical or decorative. The overall linkage of several smart room space called a whole house smart lighting. Nowadays, most people live more than 90% of times indoors with lights nowadays, whereas we always ignore how important light is. A human-oriented smart lighting is an advanced capability, which can not only bring us a natural lighting ambience, give us surreal and innovative visual experience, and eventually facilitate our life with better quality.
Well, let me put it this way. You are saying smart lighting brings a natural light back to our life. Well, then I'm curious on how do we make it happen?
Yeah. Okay. Firstly, you could adjust the lighting on its brightness from 1% to 100% and its color temperature to simulate the sunshine during different time. Moreover, light can influence human feeling on temperature. For example, like a vision on cold white color makes you feel cool, and warm yellow light brings a cozy vibe to you.
That is definitely right. I feel the same way in daily life as myself. Well, we like to warm up the chat box and hear from you guys. So we're pulling out a poll. What do you think is the most popular functions for smart lighting? Our assistant, can you post the poll in the group chat? Let's just dive into the next slide.
Yeah. So next, light can regulate human circadian rhythms, as well as body's physical parameters, so that it will influence physical or mental health. Accordingly, we developed the biorhythm function. With this model, the brightness and color temperature of lights automatically change, synchronized with the sunlight based on the exact location you are. This reduces the difference between indoors and outdoor body sensations. And smart lighting would adjust the light to affect the secretion of melatonin in the human body and let people have a high-quality sleep. Hence, we provide light to sleep and light to wake up function. Light fades in to wake you up gently in the morning and fades out to help you get into a better dream in the evening.
Well, that sounds just about fine. And I just remember I forgot to mention something. For the 17 products that we are demonstrating today, most of them come with free sample requests online. And if I forget to bring this alive, maybe you guys won't notice until about 5 to 10 minutes later. Let me just bring it ahead. So beyond everything that you have introduced above, I heard from our team that creation capabilities of smart lighting brings us the surreal and immersive the visual enjoyment. Is that true?
Yeah, that's true. Smart Scene Library provides users abundant choices on static or dynamic lighting effects for single devices, and also lighting scenes for multiple linked devices. If you feel hard to select a preference from hundreds of effects, you can also customize your own effect by combining the light colors, speed, or the paragraph, etc. A unique and dazzling lighting show can bring more fun to the parties, holidays, or special days for you. And when it comes to party, music and ambient lights are indispensable. We can turn the music sync mode on, the microphone on the device on, or the microphone on the mobile would collect the music signal. That the light color would change according to the reason, and the brightness would change to the volume.
I would give you the credit as an expert because even though everything above I've already known, I wouldn't be able to speak it out so frequently. Well, so can all the above capabilities be applied to our Tuya ecosystem devices?
Yeah, sure we can do. All the capabilities I mentioned here today can be applied to all the Tuya smart lighting products. Yeah. Let's move on to the next part. Smart lighting facilitates the user's life. Tuya Smart makes it possible to control the lights by group. Firstly, you can establish a room consisting of different lights, and then create several lighting scenes for different occasions, such as the natural mode or party mode. And then you can one tap to run the lighting scenes on the app. And when you're creating a lighting scene for your room, Trustmarks want to preview the effect all your time, which means the light effect can be synchronized with every step you set.
Well, I was staring at another small screen over there because it's the first time we do a live show on Instagram as well. And I can see quite some messages popping up. It's too far, I couldn't read. But guys, I will reach back to you right afterward. And regarding the smart light, I guess voice control is a major function as well, right? Are we covering this section today?
Yeah, for sure. The voice control can free your hands up. You can control the lights separately or by group via the phone as well as the voice speakers. User can wake the devices via the Alexa, Google Assistant, Siri, SmartThings, or the other main speaker brand in other companies. Currently, Tuya supports 9 languages to make multiple demands around the world.
Well, I do remember the first time when I talked to Alexa, I feel like I was talking to myself and listening to my echo in the room. That was weird, but now I'm so used to it.